Hey, here I'm gonna show you how to enable this dock magnification on your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air running with the latest macOS Tahoe. So let's see how you can turn on this app zoom feature on your Mac. So first you have to go to the bottom of your screen where the dock is. Now you have to move your cursor to the separation line on the dock. And when it's showing like this, you just have to right click on it. Now from the menu, you will find many options, but you have to go to Turn Magnification On. And see, the dock magnification is now enabled. So when you hover over the apps, they zoom in automatically. But now if you want to customize the zoom size, right click on the dock again and open the dock settings. So under the magnification option, use the slider to make the icons larger or smaller based on your preference. So when you are happy, just close the settings and then you can notice the changes apply instantly. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.